snacking and they ain't gonna do nothing.
She's recording us.
Huh?
She's recording us. Stop sexing. We look good together, don't we? Who did? Who dropped the bomb?
Her, just like my sister.
I'm just trying to find the buttons, Trey.
I ain't never gonna give you my
You gotta push the buttons
Yeah, go
sometimes.
ahead.
You gotta find the buttons.
Just do it.
Okay, just do this, okay? Just get it over with.
Feel that?
Well, I think I found a button.
You feel that? It's a belly button.
Well, I found 2 more buttons.
Let's go.
I found it. I found
You
it.
probably did found it.
See, look at this. This is what we were looking for. We got shoved up Trey's shirt.
We ain't gay.
See? Trey? Bad Trey. Bad. See? Hey, bad. Sniff. Sniff, bad.
I just need to get my beetle back.
You get my money?
No, my beetle. Where's my beetle?
You already picked it up. Yeah, you did.
I sat right down there. I sat right down
Stole my
there.
beetle.
I did.
Trey, you picked it up.
You gonna start dancing? I should do what they dance down there. It's like this. They go. Not like that.
That's what they were doing.
No, like
They
this.
go,
It goes like this. You know. Like this. Where's my beetle?
You took it.
I didn't take my beetle.
I did.
Trey, put it down. You can't touch this.
I can't take it.
Nah, nah.
Here, hold this.
Hey. Like, no, no, no. Hey, man. You want to stick your hand in my
Here,
pocket?
hold it.
Pretty quick.
I got money.
Got money in the bank. So,
Pretty quick.
Okay.
Scooby-Doo snack.
Oh, Scooby snack. Scooby snack. Oh, Scooby snack.
Don't take that far. That's hers.
I know.
Hey, where's my... Oh, there it is.
Oh, my
Steal my
bad.
beetle. This is what I was looking for.
My
I
bad.
told her I didn't steal it.
It's Buddy Beetle. It's Trey's Buddy Beetle. Come Trey.
Oh my gosh. Look at
Hey, sexy.
Look at hair all over it. Look at all that hair on it.
You're growing hair. Oh my gosh.
It's on my shoulders. Look at it.
Why you gotta let your hair on me?
No, Josh, stop moving.
I'm sorry, Buddy Beetle. Hey, BB.
Holy crap.
Hey, Miss Giggles. You alright?
Jump.
Hey, Miss...
Yeah.
Does it look real on camera?
No.
Yeah, watch
Zoom
this.
in.
It won't zoom in.
She got scared of it.
She gotta jump. Here you go. Can I see it? I'll be right now. Ooh.
No.
Karina.
Nasty.
Go on. Is there an earthquake? Miss Giggles, it's okay. You gotta let it out sometimes, I know. Throwing money at
Look,
me.
look, oh. Look real, see? Look. It looks like it's moving in the antennas.
Oh, God.
Get back.
It's the biggest beetle in the world. You.
Didn't work.
This the man behind the camera. This the little girl that drops bombs. This is Family Conrad. This is Josh.
I'm sorry.
This is Trey. Bombs.